here. So well, now when I'm writing the I1, I'm applying here what I'm applying. Let's say 1 I'm applying. So means, what does it mean? It means that this operator which I'm shifting towards left shift by 1, I'm shifting towards left shift by 1. What does it mean? So well, here I'm writing this 0 is going here. Again I'm writing here the 0. Again I'm writing here is the 0. Here is again I'm writing 0. I'm writing here that is the 1. And this 1 is going here. Also is the 0 we are going to, sorry, 1 I'm going to get. This 1 is going to come. Here is the 0. Here is also the 0, sorry, 1 is going to come. I hope it is a very simple thing which we used to see here. So now what we are going to get now? At present, previously the value of this was how much? 13. This 13 I have represented here, right? Now next what I am getting value. अगर जब हमने राइट साइड में एक शिफ्ट, लेफ्ट साइड में एक शिफ्ट किया, तो जो वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल है वो क्या हो गया? एग्जैक्टली हाफ हो गया उसके ओरिजिनल वन के, एग्जैक्टली हाफ ऑफ इट्स ओरिजिनल वन इनटू दिस. तो ये देखो आप क्या हुआ, इसमें हमने 1 किया, ठीक है. तो अब हमने इसको क्या किया कि जैसे हमने 1 शिफ्ट कर दिया तो कितना हो गया इसमें ध्यान देना. पहले 13 था, अब कितना हो गया? 8, 16 प्लस 8, 16 plus 8 plus again I am writing 2 here, right? So 10 and 16, 26 as I am going to get here. So this value again is going to be the 26 in this. So it's a very simple left shift and right shift operator as I am showing it to you here. What I wanted to do in this now, I'm just writing a very simple program here. I'm writing a very simple program in this. Let's talk about a very simple one, the program which I'm explaining in this here. One second. Here is a very simple program as I am trying to write. Fine. The program which I am writing here, you can write JTC 15 here directly as I have written into this public static void main string of arg I am writing. Int I1 is equal to, somewhere I am writing that is the 20. Int I2, I1 is equal to 20 I am writing. And or let's write that is the same thing. I am writing here 17. Here I am writing, let's say 13. Well, into this now, the basic operations which I am doing here, I am shifting it towards right side by 1. So the value of 17, I1 value which is there, I am shifting towards left side by 1. तो अगर हमने towards left side by 1 shift किया, तो value of this variable is going to be the exactly half of its original one. Into this here now, println I am writing here I2 and I2 को मैंने shift कर दिया 1 इधर, तो एक इधर shift किया. And the second options which again as I am going to do here is the, I am writing here what is that, JTC 15.java and after shifting it as I have written all that inside this. ठीक है, तो ऐसा लिखने के बाद अब हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, इस बात को भी थोड़ा सा आप ध्यान देना. जावा सी JTC 15.java मैंने इसको कंपाइल किया, आप ध्यान देना इसको. एंड फिर से मैंने JTC 15 कर दिया, ये आपको 8 और 26 आ गया. 8 और 26 आपने इसका आउटपुट देखा. देखो इसी चीज को हम लोग सेम को कुछ अलग तरीके से भी कर सकते थे, बाय यूजिंग जेशल भी कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल देखो मैंने क्या लिखा, इंट I1 इज इक्वल टू 17. दूसरा मैंने इंट I2 इज इक्वल टू 13 लिखा. ठीक, अब मैं क्या लिख रहा हूं, I1 मैंने राइट शिफ्ट अप्लाई किया, बाय 1 अप्लाई किया. What value you are going to get? 8 you are going to get. See, as I hope you know about the $15. $15 is the temporary variable which has been created by automatically, you can say, the JShell prompt in this. Anywhere you wanted to use into this, you can use this $15 here. Next point, what next, as I'm trying to explain you here, I2. Here it's a simple to write, and I hope all of you also will like to write it. 26 it is good. So I'll do one thing. I1, I'm shifting towards right side by 4 times. What we got? 1. Once again I'll shift towards 6. I'm getting 0. I'm shifting it. मैं इसको और ज्यादा बार शिफ्ट करता हूं थोड़ा. आप देखना इसमें प्रोग्रामेटिकली देखना. तो मैंने 20 टाइम्स शिफ्ट किया, अभी भी 0 है ये. मैंने इसको 30 टाइम्स किया, अभी भी 0 है ये. मैंने इसको 31 टाइम्स किया. आपने शायद अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया होगा, 1 बार 2 बार 3 बार आपने ट्राई. मैंने 31 टाइम्स को इसको शिफ्ट किया. ठीक है. मैंने इसको 32 टाइम्स शिफ्ट किया. कितना आ गया वैल्यू? 17. मतलब ये कि हमने जहां से भी स्टार्ट किया था इसको शिफ्ट करना, हम फिर से वहीं पे आ गए. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? हमने जहां से भी इनको स्टार्ट किया था शिफ्ट करना, वी केम ऑन द सेम प्लेस हियर. डोंट यू अंडरस्टैंड इट? आई थिंक आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि हमने वेयर फ्रॉम वेर एवर आई हैव स्टार्टेड इट, वी गॉट द एक्चुअल वैल्यू अगेन इन टू दिस. See, in compared to the command line and notepad writing, this are compiling separately, running separately. Instead of that, we can what we can do it directly. We can use for this kind of small, you can say, calculations part and checking the operators and all. We can use this JShell very easily in this, right? Well, again, I am writing I2. Well, I am writing what is next now? I2 I am writing. So whenever I am writing here I2. In the case of I2, I'm just going to do some more things also. What is that some more things as I'm going to do? 1 I'm writing. We got value 26. I'm writing 2. We got value 52. Again, I'm writing here 3. We got value something. I'm writing 6. We got value something. I'm writing 9. We got again something different. I'm writing 10. We are getting something different. I'm shifting it. Let's 20 times. Again, we are getting something. Keep on noticing the values which again it is coming after the shifting operator what we are applying. 20 times I did. Again I am writing here the 30 times here. You see what value we are getting, and again I am writing 32 times. You see what value we are getting from wherever. You do one thing here. In that, once you do the 31 times, so you see here what you are getting. Remember, if you can remember, the integer maximum value was, or you can say the minimum value was -214748364 That was the minimum value of any kind of integer. Until then it cannot shift, so again it is coming to the original value from where we have started. Got my point? So this is what the left shift as well as the right shift operator which I have explained you in these cases. Alright. Next, there is a negation of a number. What is that? Negation of a number. Let's say I wanted to write here something, system.out.println. Into this I am writing how to find the negation of a number. So well, I am writing here the 16 I am writing. One second. I am writing 16 here. Negation of the number I am trying to find. It is giving -17. It is giving the negation of a number. How to find the negation of a number? So well, I am writing here, or I am just trying to check it out, how to find the negation of a number. So I am writing here. Negation of number. When I am talking about negation of a number, so let's say I am writing here the 16 I am writing. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128 I am writing. These all are the different types of values which again I am writing here. ठीक है? अब इसमें हम 16 को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, तो पहला 0, 0, 0. ये 0 0 0 हमने 3 जगह लिखा, ठीक। उसके बाद 16 को मैंने 1 किया, 16 को 1 करने के बाद यहां पे 0 0 0 0। तो अगर हम 8 बिट के मैक्सिमम रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात करें तो अब पहली चीज, पहले इसको मैं फाइंड आउट कर लेता हूं। देखो, पहले अगर हम बात करते हैं मैक्सिमम रिप्रेजेंटेशन का, तो ये आएगा आपका 256 मैक्सिमम रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ 8 बिट, 128 प्लस 128 इन द नेगेटिव वन यू कैन डू। नाउ आई एम फाइंडिंग हियर वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट। वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट के केस में ये जितने भी जीरो हैं ये 1 हो जाएंगे, 0 1 0 हो जाएगा, 1 हो जाएगा, ये 1 हो जाएगा, ये 1 ये 1, राइट। अब हम सम ऑफ वंस आफ्टर वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट, वंस बिट के पोजीशन को हम सम करेंगे। तो 128 64 प्लस 32 प्लस 8 प्लस 4 प्लस 2 प्लस 1, if you will sum up all that, so somewhere what you are going to get around 239 minus you are going to do 256, which is you are going to get the minus 17, you are going to get, this is your answer, and this is how we find the negation of a number in these cases, and this is how we used to get the negation of a number. So hope you are bit clear about the, okay, some more things are there. I'll be explaining, I'm not going to leave it out all that. I'm writing about the AND, like OR operator in bitwise AND or bitwise OR. I'll write it here, that is the bitwise एंड और, ये सभी ऑपरेटर सभी मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा आपको प्रोग्राम लिख के, एंड प्रॉपरली आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन हाउ इट वर्क्स, व्हाट इज द अगेन मींस, सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन, अगेन दैट इज द लॉजिकल एंड और and all other things. So just wait for the next things. I am explaining the difference between bitwise and or, logical or, and all other things into this. Thank you.